Okay, guys, just keep your helmets on. Toothless and I will fly.
Toothless has the light fury now. He's probably not even coming back.
What? Hey! She followed us back!